Hi guys, Alan from Lookers and Ellesmere Port here. Today we've got another special guest. We've got Hannah. So Hannah, when you do handovers for your new cars, what is predominantly one of the big questions customers always ask?
Big question is, how do the automatic lights work? Customers are really interested in how that works.
For safety and
Yeah,
brilliant.
yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so let's have a look how that works. Okay, so for that we're going to need a car with auto lights, and today we're going to use this, which is the Corsa Energy.
So don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's take a look.
Automatic lights are controlled via a light sensor, which could be located on the dash or behind the rear view mirror. The automatic lights come with 4 settings. Some cars, such as the Astra and the Insignia, only come with 3. The settings are off, automatic, side lights and headlights. To deactivate automatic lights, turn the toggle to the left, or to reactivate them, turn it to the left again. To do it manually, you can turn it to side lights, or alternatively, you can turn it to headlights. And to go back to automatic, simply turn back to the auto save. This car is also equipped with front and rear fog lights. To activate the front fog lights, press this button here, and the rear ones, it's this button here. You can also see here there are 2 thumb wheels. The first one is your headlight range adjustment, and the second is the instrument panel illumination control. So there you go, that's the auto lights. So thanks for watching, thanks Hannah, and I'll see you next time.